Did you know IKEA has 5-star rated products for under $10? Stick around because today we're revealing the best hidden gems that are budget-friendly and top-rated. You won't want to miss this. Here's the Loveskogs scented candle in glass, priced at just 99 cents. It brings a refreshing blend of apple, jasmine, and apple blossom scents to your space. Plus, the glass is reusable for tea lights or small storage, a sustainable and affordable choice. Let's move on to the next 5-star product. Here's the Stilren vase in white, priced at just $4.99. It's a simple yet elegant way to showcase flowers and add a touch of natural beauty to your home. Perfect for any bouquet. Let's move on to the next 5-star product. Here's the Alvine Spets. Sheer curtains, off-white, priced at $9.99 for a pair. These curtains beautifully diffuse daylight, reduce screen glare, and provide daytime privacy while keeping you connected to the outside world. Made from 100% recycled polyester, they're easy to care for and maintain their color over time, perfect for layering with other curtains or blinds. Let's move on to the next 5-star find. Here's the Bagmuck shoe tray in gray, available for just $4.99. This tray keeps dirt and water contained with its high edges, making cleanup under shoe racks or in storage cabinets a breeze. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Let's move on to the next top-rated product. Here's a handy find, the Bowman step stool in white, priced at just $9.99. Designed for both kids and adults, it's tested to hold up to 220 pounds. Plus, with its anti-slip protection on top, it keeps you steady and secure. Next up is the Phi Contrad frame in white, priced at just $1.99. This frame adds a unique touch to displaying photos, drawings, or other keepsakes. With no back panel, you can showcase 2 pictures at once, perfect for menus, signs, or creating a fun, double-sided display. Let me introduce you to the Off-Task bowl in white, priced at just 79 cents. It offers the elegant look of bone porcelain, but is made from durable tempered glass, allowing for both style and affordability. Plus, it's dishwasher and microwave safe, making it as practical as it is beautiful. Let's move on to the next 5-star find. Here we have the Pokal glass in clear glass, priced at just $4.99 for a 6-pack. With its timeless design, this 9-ounce glass is perfect for water, soft drinks, or even warm beverages like coffee and tea. A versatile addition to any kitchen. Let's talk about the iconic Fracta shopping bag, available for just 99 cents. This large blue bag is perfect for carrying almost anything, laundry, groceries, or even dry waste for recycling. It's super easy to clean with a damp cloth and folds flat for convenient storage. Big, strong, and versatile, it's ready to go wherever you need. Next up is the Heat Trivet, made of natural cork and priced at just $4.99 for a set. This simple yet practical product protects your tables and tablecloths from heat stains. If one isn't enough for larger pots or dishes, you can easily place all 3 together to create a bigger surface. The natural cork material not only provides great functionality, but also adds a warm, organic touch to your kitchen. Next, we have the Parkla storage case, available for just $1.99. This spacious and lightweight case is perfect for storing seasonal clothes, duvets, or extra pillows, keeping them safe and organized until you need them. When not in use, it folds flat for easy storage. Maintenance is a breeze. Just wipe it clean with a damp cloth. Simple, practical, and a must-have for any organized home. Let's talk about the Boomerang hanger, priced at just $4.99 for an 8-pack. Made from solid wood, these hangers bring a sense of quality to your wardrobe while being strong enough to support heavier clothing. They feature grooves on both sides to keep garments with straps from slipping off, and you can even add the Boomerang shoulder shaper to protect delicate blouses and knitwear from stretching. These hangers help keep your wardrobe organized, make your clothes easier to find, and extend their lifespan. A stylish and practical addition to your closet. Thanks so much for joining me today as we explored these amazing IKEA finds. Whether you're organizing your space, upgrading your decor, or just hunting for clever, budget-friendly solutions, IKEA truly has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss out on more IKEA gems and home inspiration. Until next time, keep dreaming, designing, and creating your perfect space, one IKEA piece at a time. See you in the next video.